Hello my lovers, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back. So today we're going to be if things are not moving well for you, you think you are receiving a setback, delay, things are not working, yes, things are not going well, it's a very simple remedy. In life we face a lot of challenge, especially when you clock 20 years. That is when things will change, because they're not more in your teenage. 20 years even safer. 18 years you start, even when you start experiencing more, especially when you get married. A lot of temptation comes, a lot of disappointment comes, a lot of challenge, because the other family will not want this family to be bigger, or this mother will not want this mother to this fellow mother child to be. So much struggle when you are in your adulthood, especially if you're a married person, or you are someone who is always having favor, attraction, all those kind of things. You receive jealousy. Yes, you receive a very big jealousy. Okay, this remedy is in two types that I want to share. So what is it? Get a white paper. Okay, let's get a white paper like this. This is a white paper, my friend, and my get a pen. Either you get a marker or you get a blue pen. All is pen. As far as you can write your name. What are you going to do? I write your name. You write your name and your surname, your real name, not your guy name. Write your real name on the paper. This is a bottle of water. Yes. After writing it, then what are you going to do? You fold it and put it there. Don't just go and bring paper, my dear. The way I'm describing, you write name and this, you go and you have to pray. Prayer is the key. Church or no church, prayer is the master. Prayer is the overall of everything. Yes. Write your name. You write your name. Okay. Write your surname. If you are married, you write your. It's not when you are married, you're not going to be answering your father's surname again. You write your name 3 times. Yes, you write it 3 times. I'm writing my own for this video. Write it 3 times. Yes, so that you put it in that can that you are holding. Okay, this is my own name here. Then you fold it. When things will start working with you, like you did a very great magic. It's not magic, it's a very simple something. Then this is it. After writing, you put it inside, then you declare. Some they will ask, some you have to put it in your urine. That one work perfectly, because either you get a water or you get your early morning urine. You can use it. Things will start moving, things will start going. Anywhere you go, money, anything you want, because so your money is somewhere. I mean, your name is somewhere. Okay, things will start moving after making you pray, especially in the midnight, because you're going to leave this thing for 7 days before you dispose it. Okay, 7 good days. Make sure every time anywhere you place it, go there and you pray. Read your psalms. Pray. If you can, no, you cannot read psalm. Pray. You pray, my dear. This is life. Pray deeply, especially midnight prayer. It's work. That you are calling your name. That as I write my name and put inside this water, so shall I prosper, so shall I see good thing. You declare, you pray that you are removing any bad energy, anything that is planning evil, so that as your name is in this water, so shall it be flowing. The way water is flowing, so that your name be flowing, so shall your wealth and your prosperity be flowing. Some of us, people will be waiting for when you have 10 million to go and prepare something. Very simple remedy like this can go a very long way if you don't know. Yes. Just prepare this either with water or with your early morning urine. You can see wonder. Wonder will start happening in your life. I tell you. My own is inside. I don't want to bring it outside. I did my own because me too. I want it. Not only just be talking online, social media. No. Very small remedy. It work. Just like the last video I posted about spread, it work. Get a pen, write your name, your surname 3 times, squeeze the paper, put it there and pray for 7 good days. You will start seeing wonder. Things will start moving well for you, just like this. Ordinary. It's common, right? Yes. So shall your work be common. So shall it be common, will be going, you know, the things will be moving. It's just your faith. It's my friend, it's just your faith, okay? So this is your first time coming across my YouTube channel. Please like and subscribe. I'll be dropping more videos.